Hi, my name is David. I'm in Taiwan, and this is Taiwan in English. In today's exciting episode, we're tackling a question that might seem simple, but it can be a little confusing. Which spelling is correct? Okay, okay, or okay? The good news is they all mean the same thing. It's mostly about style and formality. Let's break it down. First, let's look at okay, spelled out fully. This is generally considered the most formal and widely accepted spelling in all contexts. If you're writing an essay, a formal email, or anything professional, okay is usually the safest choice. It's often preferred in publishing, books, and newspapers. Some examples. Are you okay? Asking about a person's well-being. Everything will be okay. Assuring somebody. She said okay to the plan, meaning that she agreed. Think of okay as the proper or full version of the word. Next, we have okay, spelled with two capital letters. This is extremely common and widely accepted, especially in casual writing, texts, and informal conversations. You'll see it everywhere. It's super versatile and can be used as an adjective, an adverb, an interjection, and even a verb or a noun. Some examples. The movie was just okay. This is an adjective, meaning acceptable but not great. He did okay on the test. This is an adverb, again meaning acceptable but not great. Okay, let's go! This is an interjection, meaning agreement or readiness. Can you okay this document? This is a verb that means to approve something. I need your okay before I proceed. Like the verb, this also means approval. Okay is very popular because it's quick to type and easy to understand. It's perfectly fine for most everyday situations. Finally, we have okay with only the first letter capitalized. This spelling is less common than okay or okay. While you might see it sometimes, especially in informal writing or messaging, it's generally not considered standard. It often looks a bit less polished compared to the other two options. It's usually best to stick with okay or okay, just to be safe. Some more examples of okay. Is everything okay? You might see this, but okay or okay are more common choices. So to summarize, okay, the most formal and generally preferred spelling for all contexts, especially formal writing. Okay, extremely common and widely accepted, especially in informal context, texts, and casual writing. Very versatile. Okay, less common and generally not preferred. Avoid this one in formal writing. All three forms mean the same thing. All right, acceptable, good, or yes. The choice often depends on how formal you want to be or simple personal preference. But if you're ever unsure, okay is always a safe bet. That's it for today. I hope this helps you feel more okay with choosing the right spelling. See you next time. Before you go, if you liked the video or you learned something, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss anything. And as always, if you have any questions or you just want to say hi, leave a comment or you can find me on social media. There are links in the description. And I will see you in the next exciting episode of Taiwan in English. Bye.